Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log out in your PayPal account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your PayPal app, and once you open it, you will end up in your logged in account. Simply tap on the profile like icon, and once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply scroll to the end of the page. Once you have scrolled down, you can see a log out option. So to get logged out from your account, simply tap on the logout option. Once you do so, you will be redirected to the home screen where you need to log in into your account. So once this page is shown, you will get logged out from your PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.